In the figure, KLM and PQR are the arcs of the concentric circles with the center O. KO is perpendicular to OM and angle ROP is equals to 45 degree. The ratio of arc length of the KLM and PQR is 4:1. A. Find the ratio of the radii of the arcs PQR and KLM. B. If OM is equals to 7 cm, find the area of the sector OPR. Now let I explain first the question. In the figure, KLM and PQR are the arcs of the concentric circle. Concentric circle means a circle with a center same. Two circles are the center same, that is O. And here KL is perpendicular to OM. That means angle formed KOM is 90 degree. And also POR, that means another arc angle is given, that is 45 degree. The arc ratio KLM and PQR ratio is given, that is 4:1. Now the first question is find the ratio of radii of the arcs PQR and KLM. Now let us find the answer for this question. First we have to write ratio of length of the arc, that is length of the arc KLM. First circle or big circles arc we have to write length of the arc KLM divided by length of the arc PQR. Another arc is PQR is equals to ratio is given in the question, that is 4:1 is equals to 4 divided by 1. Now the formula for length of the arc is theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Here r we have to consider two different r's because two different arc we have. So another one, length of the arc PQR is equals to theta divided by 360 2 pi r and 4 by 1 as it is we have to write. Here 360 and 360 get cancelled because it's divided, and 2 pi and 2 pi get cancelled. Now the remaining is theta and another theta, that we can consider theta 1 and theta 2, and also into r divided by r, that means radius is equals to 4 by 1, that as it is we have to write. Now theta value, theta means angle value already given in the question, that means arc KLM angle is 90 degree because here OM is perpendicular to OK, therefore angle is 90, and another angle is given in the question, that is 45, and r divided by r is equals to 4 by 1. Now 45 ones are 45 twos are 90 get cancelled. Remaining 2 r divided by 1 r is equals to 4 divided by 1. Here the 2 is multiplied to r. When it comes to equal sides, signs opposite side is dividing, it comes to denominator. 2 ones are 2 twos are get cancelled. R divided by r is equals to 2 divided by 1. Now we'll do the reciprocal of this. R divided by r is equals to 1 divided by 2. R is to r is equals to 1 is to 2. This is a ratio of radii of the arcs PQR and KLM. This is the first question answer. Now we go to the second question. If OM is equals to 7 cm, find the area of the sector OPR. We will write first given OM is equals to 7 cm. This is the radius of the one of the circle, that is r divided by r is equals to 1 divided by 2. R, it is given R is equals to 7 centimeter. We will substitute to the equation what we got already in the previous question. R divided by 7 is equals to 1 divided by 2. When 7 is a denominator, in the opposite sides of the equal sign it goes to numerator. 7 divided by 2 is another R of the circle. Now we will find area of sector OPQ. Area of sector OPQ. That is formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. We will substitute all the values for this formula. Now theta is the angle. It is already given in the question. Our angle ROP is equals to 45 degree. Substitute theta is equals to 45 degree divided by 360. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R is 7 by 2 and another R 7 by 2. Now 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are and here 45 ones are 45 8s are. So the remaining 11 into 7 is equals to 77 divided by 8 into 2 is equals to 16. When we divided 16 divided by 77, we'll get the answer 4.8125 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector OPQ answer. And for the first question, answer is here, that is a ratio of 1:2. For the more answers, subscribe my channel.